Internet users in Kenya will soon have faster access and better protection from cyber attacks following the installation of Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers ICANN managed root server cluster in Nairobi. The first in Africa root server will enable safer, faster and stable internet access across the continent. ICT Cabinet Secretary Eliud Owalo says installation of the router is in line with the government's aspiration to digitally transform the nation.
The installation of the IMRS cluster in Kenya aligns with our mission to digitally transform not only our own country, but the entire continent through regulation, partnership, and innovation. The Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, on the basis of which our development agenda is pegged, includes a very specific commitment on establishing a digital superhighway in Kenya and embracing the creative economy. From the very onset, I wish to thank ICANN for choosing Kenya as the host of this critical component of the core internet infrastructure.
Today, this is a very exclusive club. There are 2 clusters in the US, 1 in Europe, 1 in Asia, and now 1 in Africa. What it means for the internet users is that internet technology makes it a little bit faster, a little bit more secure, but it also follows the capacity that is needed in Africa, where the internet penetration goes up so much.